Mycoplasma infections are on the rise. The disease commonly causes a condition known as walking pneumonia, which has already sent several children to the hospital.
The symptoms of infection include a fever and a persistent cough. Experts warn that up to 70% of Mycoplasma bacteria are resistant to antibiotics, making treatment more difficult.
This 7-year-old girl woke up with a fever and a cough and had to stay home from school. Her dad took time off work to take her to the doctor.
She started running a fever. A family member previously tested positive for influenza A, so perhaps this is influenza A. She did have a Mycoplasma infection before. When she was little, she had a fever that wouldn't subside and a persistent cough for a long period of time. I've had a headache since yesterday, so I came to see a doctor today. A rapid test in the morning came back positive. I went to a classmate's house without a face mask, and now I'm sick. There are 2 or 3 students in my class who've caught influenza A.
Some have colds and others have the flu. But one thing that doctors have noticed is an increase in cases of Mycoplasma infections, which commonly causes walking pneumonia. The disease has already sent several children to the hospital, with the main symptom being an incessant cough. Mycoplasmas are resistant to antibiotics, making treatment difficult.
Patients feel like they want to cough but can't get it out. They have to exert a lot of force and cough from very deep in. Some children can get severe infections that make their lungs show up all white on x-rays. They get symptoms of atypical pneumonia.
School-aged children, immunocompromised people, and older adults are high-risk groups for the disease, which should not be underestimated. And with temperatures dropping, doctors are also seeing an increase in COVID-19 patients.
Over the past few years, everyone was masked up due to the pandemic, so we haven't seen big outbreaks of some disease for a while. China is seeing a surge in infections, and nearby countries like Taiwan won't be able to avoid it.
Doctors say that thorough hand washing, using alcohol spray, and wearing face masks can help prevent diseases, not just COVID, but also Mycoplasma and the seasonal flu. They urge the public to keep up healthy habits in the winter season.